whanau. Hey, Mozzie Peddler. Cheer, brother. How's it going, whanau? Cheer, brother Mozzie Peddler. How are you, my bro? Cheerlo Games, cheer, Uncle Redwick, how you, brother? Cheer, brother Order. Hey, cheer, colour. For the resub, yeah, didn't even have to. This is all we're up to today. Carving Odin. So if you don't know how this came about, UBISOFT ANZ emailed me, or they got in touch and they asked me to carve the Odin statue from Assassin's Creed. I'll try, because they know I'm not familiar with this type of carving, well, this type of work in general. But yeah, just seeing that there's something fun to do. Also to test myself as well, see how I go. And I'm a fan of Assassin's Creed anyway. Hey Jiggy. Yes, I'll catch up first. How's everyone been? Yeah, he didn't have, oh, thanks Jiggy for gifting us up to Otter. Chilwak. Renee, nah, everyone can watch too. But Chilwak for subbing as well. You didn't have to, my bro, but thank you. Much appreciated, bro. Whew, it's hot today. So how's everyone been? Yo, well, cheer my bro for the 6 months. Just means I've been told at least 6 months I didn't. Cheer my brother for the 6 months, my bro. Congratulations on your badge upgrade too. And thank you, brother. You honestly didn't have to though. You got noticed by UBISOFT. Yeah, I would say grateful for the opportunity though. I need to learn for French exam tomorrow. We'll turn the stream off, brother, and get that study on for that test, bro. I'll be back. I need to get my sharpening done. Awesome, Zach. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, but much appreciated, my bro. Yo! Burrows music. Love your work, mate. Thanks for the corgis, my bro. Much appreciated, brother, for the bits. You honestly didn't have to, though. Glad you went far. Thanks, brother. I'm just glad to share it with you guys too, bro. It's kind of what matters. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna sharpen this first. Who's cute AF? Man, it's been a long time. I've been waiting for my bench upgrade. Cheer, my bro. So we're just catching up still. I'm just prepping these because we used them the most last week. Let's go beyond that hope. Oh. Stop it. I see you on yesterday too. How was your stream, Tiggy?
Too good to play second fiddle. From now
Love the ads.
we'll come with a side of mains.
We'll have chips and fish shops and we'll ask because these chefs are the main event. Oh, okay, done it again.
Oz Dragon, happy 7 months, brother. Keep going. Yo, Oz Dragon. Thank you, brother. Bro, honestly, long time. Honestly, very long time. Also, I don't know if you remember me, but a few months ago I messaged you saying times were tough as I didn't have a job and I was having a baby. Well, I've got a really good job that pays all the bills, and I have a beautiful baby girl who is healthy as can be. Yo, Speedy Sloth, brother. It's beautiful to hear, my bro. Apologies, my man. Yeah, it has been a long time and I can't remember. I do apologise for that. But bro, that's great to hear, bro. And congratulations on your baby. I actually had a daughter last week too, brother. Well, not me, but you know. Ah, Speedy Sloth. Love to hear it, brother. Really love to hear it. Thank you for sharing, my bro. Honestly. You know, just for that, here you go, bro. Congratulations, man. Thank you for sharing, and those are the best. That's the reason why I do this. Thank you. Oh, steady butter. Hey, my bro. Yo, thanks for the bits, brother. Did not have to though. You know he is. You didn't need to do that. Hey. Don't you try and pull the reverse here, mate. Nice try, but I may have slipped and then I went that way, and then, yeah. We'll just go with that, eh? I lost my sandpaper. IDK Live. Thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to, though. Oh, where's my sandpaper, though? Thank you, brother. Oh, Charizard. Cheer, Charizard. Hope you're well, brother. Damn, been a while, my bro. Thank you very much for the 6 months in a row, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Speedy Sloth, you put me in a good mood, brother. Really put me in a good mood, brother, honestly. Hey, let's go. Oh, you bloody. Okay, that should be good enough. So we got the okay from UBISOFT to play the Assassin's Creed Valhalla in-game music. So you'll probably hear a lot of it today, and some DJ Spell as well. Congrats on the new kiddo. Hope everyone is happy and healthy. Carefree. Free Tyler. Thank you for the 2 months, bro, but most importantly, my bro, hope you are well. Don't forget you, my bro. I'm kind of stumped as to where my sandpaper's going. Got him right.
For we who fight, for we who fall.
regardless of roll of sandpaper. Oh, don't worry, bro. There won't be any spoilers. I'm just playing the music. Even I haven't played it yet. Oh shit, wrong chisel. UBISOFT commission, hell yeah. Yeah, brother. I just hope I do them proud, eh? And you guys too. Because you guys know I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. I just saw it as something fun to do and a good opportunity to push myself as well. Yo, can you take off your shirt? Ah, mate, I don't want that much subs. Nah, those ones too. You seen Magic Mike? Yeah, I'll be better than that. I'm not out here trying to win. I'd love and Akian, thank you very much for the subs, bro, guys. And I dipped out so fast. Oh yeah, load games. That was Limber Max. He's invited me to go and play WoW with him. So if you, I know we're not talking about WoW at the moment, but Limit's one of the top world first raid guilds, and yeah, he invited me. I'm gonna ask him to teach me how to play Prot Warrior properly. I don't really want to be a paladin and be Prot Warrior or Prot Paladin. Hey, how does it have this wood? This is actually pine, brother, so it's actually not that hard. She'll be right. She'll be right. Work Wi-Fi is done, so swords. Ah, it's all good. Dude, did a man. I've got an idea for the tier 3 subs to get their own emotes too. I want to start giving back to the tier 3s and 2s now. It's a bit loud, eh, for you guys? Sun's out, guns out, nah. Wearing a singlet because I can't find a good t-shirt. Oh, I'm thinking about doing the All Might Mufasa emote, hype emote, but a tier 3 exclusive one, so it'll be different to the normal one. Celesky Sam, thank you very much for the sub, brother. But also got an idea for a 3-piece emote. Yo, 99 Protocol, thank you very much. See you in Valhalla. Oh, maybe. Oh, I don't know, you don't even have it. How's the cub? Healthy, brother. Very healthy. She sleeps a lot, man, compared to our eldest. She didn't really sleep that much as a baby. But this one's just as kicked back as I am. Oh yeah, Maya. This is so I got the okay to play soundtracks from Assassin's Creed Valhalla, along with the odd YouTube ad now and again. Oh damn, I just... Oh crap. So we'll just sharpen these up and then we'll get ready. Good evening from Ireland. Hey my island brother. Yeah, Kaya, my second child was born on the 11th of the 11th of 2020 at 8:20 PM. You changed that to a 24-hour clock, 2020. That was pretty buzzy. TMCA YouTube ads, imagine, eh? You watched Jujutsu Kaisen yet? Nah. I haven't really watched anything other than streams, to be honest. in first edition Pokemon unboxing. Ah, thanks, Woodsy. Yo, what's that dinosaur next to your name, brother? Oh, damn, June Rock. Your notification ain't coming up. Oh, it's all good, Georgie boy. I mean, you can't expect everyone to talk, eh? Well, I don't demand that people talk. If you want to chill here, you chill here. I'm not one to demand shit. All I want everyone to do is just kick back, watch me carve or have a talk. Everyone doesn't have to talk. I'm a Jurassic Park streamer, that's why. Maybe some people that are watching now may have wine and the odd cracker. Maybe they just want to consume their wine or their beer as they tune into me trying to sharpen. Oh really, it's a GlitchCon thing. Oh yeah, that's that thingy that was on yesterday everyone was talking about it. I was GlitchConing my baby's nappies. So I didn't really know much about it. Haven't been able to come on but as often as things. Yeah, Charizard, bro, it's all good, bro. You just tune in whenever. You know me, I don't expect anyone to be here every day on the clock. But I'm good, brother. Very good. Just had another baby. Cheers, Ryan. Kia ora, Ryan. Thank you, my bro. They are doing very well, brother. Mrs. Broxh is hooning into a good packet of chips while baby sleeps. Hey, Fanta. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, I've seen everyone getting on about that GlitchCon yesterday. I don't really... another girl. Charizard? Another girl. Woo! Let's go. Another girl, my bro. One moment. My mother told me. Hold on, finally, just putting this down so I don't move the voice too much. Oh, and there's a centipede. I was going to step on it, but I thought to myself, it didn't do anything wrong to me. Oh, it's just live too. Yay! Oh, he must be testing. Well, if he's still on by the time we get through our day, we'll just raid him. How long have you done this for? This piece or carving in general? Okay. Ooh, nice and sharp. And I just realised this is the wrong chisel, or do I not have a big 8? I knew there was a chisel I was missing. Ah, ratchet, yeah. That's right. So I'm using a 7 chisel, as you can see so it's quite light, not as deep as a 8. Oh, Ranty, thank you for the 5 months, brother. 5 months, 5 subs. Oh, I thought you said cubs. I was like, hey, 5 kids. Oh geez, sorry, mods, who was it that didn't donate again? Sorry. So usually a 8 is much bigger, and the curve is deeper as well. And I just remembered my 8 that's about the same size got stolen years ago. Oh, Ranty. Nanny gift. Oh, brother, you didn't have to, my bro. Thank you, brother. Holy damn. Those went to Zigzagger, The Beats Working, Hulatron, Zenter, and Hake Worker. Who steals a chisel? Other carvers, I guess. So, back when I was in the institute, I mean, we used to take the first year's chisels to teach them a lesson. If they left their stuff out, or their chisels overnight, like before everyone goes home, we'd take them. And just to tell them that you should look after these better. Take pride in your tools. But it's fun. You get the chainsaw from a few days ago? Nah, brother, nah. He locked the shed. The sad guy. How long is you think it's going to take you? Not gonna lie, bro, a while. That's why gonna do some off stream as well. I did a bit yesterday off stream. Hello, Tommy. Chew, bro. Oh damn, Midas. Yo, chew, brother. Thank you for the 3 months. Hope you and your family are doing well, mate. Thank you very much, my brother. We are doing very good, my bro. Just happy to be home, eh? Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to, though. And Jaybird with the 5 months in a row. God damn it. Thank you very much, guys. Wow, these are too nice. How long were your neighbours blasting their music off? Till about 11 PM. They had an argument yesterday about, well, the wife actually went for the jugular for her mans. She was going, "Why am I with you? You're ugly." I was like, "Oh, okay. Time to go back inside." Which was quite interesting. Oh, new carving, yeah, righty. So I still have the other one, but I was approached by UBISOFT. But I told them I'm a traditional Māori wood carver. They go, "Yeah, we know, but we really like who you are, and we wanted to know if you would give it a go." Yeah. So I just thought, yeah, it'd be a good opportunity to push myself. Probably be a fun project too, so why not? Yo, Pixie Gang, thank you very much for the bits, man. Are you gonna play Assassin's Creed Valhalla? If I get it, yeah. Well, most likely. Seems to be alright now, bro. What's that, bro? Low bit rate. No. If it does it again, I'll yeah, that's weird it's doing that. It's dropping quite a bit too. Hey, chew, Valoon. Okay, since the bit rate's playing up, it's gonna go inside and... Oh, is it going back up? It should be above 5k now. No, yeah, it should be good now, for now. Hey, Jake Kid. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. Yeah, Assassin's Creed Valhalla looks good, eh? I've pretty much avoided spoilers so far. What's this up to? He's... wonder what he is up to. We're having a catch up this morning, me and him. Bobby, thank you very much for the sub, Bobby. Much appreciated, my bro. So yeah, that's all we're going to be doing this for now. I don't know how long it's going to bloody take. What about the new Spider-Man? Bro, that new Spider-Man looks amazing. Testy Baron, thank you very much for the 3 months, my dude. Are you a fan of fishing in WoW? I've tried it. I just don't know where to go other than the one spot. Charizard. Nah, he won't let me get a dog. I'm not famous. I can't even explain Assassin. No, you can't. The RTX on it looks insane. Yeah, PS5 or Xbox Series. You mean PS5 and Steam Cooker Series? Nah, PlayStation, bro, since day one, pretty much. With anti-sin chair. How deep is that carving going to be, the full thing? Well, after I've shaped the outside, then I've got to take it as close to the line as possible. And then we draw up the center line on the side of the side profile, and then we draw up the sides as well, because I've got photos of it just on the side of me, and oh well, behind the camera, but and then we go from there. You've accidentally whacked yourself with the hammer? Nah, not at all, brother, not at all. Shout out to Speedy, dude. Let's set the mood. Nine-digit D? Yeah, bro, I am. Which I'm grateful for. Keep getting messages there from people. Why don't you tell everyone you're sponsored? I mean, they should see it on the stream, and I'm not a blow ass. I shut them out. The Red Bull Farmer. Cheers, Speedy Sloth. Cool to hear, brother. There's a knock right there, so that's going to be fun. And here too. Do you craft your own tools? Nah, not at all, brother. Not at all. So we have a company here called, well, not here, but in Auckland that sells chisels, called Carbotech. What sort of wood are you using on this? Ah, just your normal pine, brother. At the end of the Viking longhouse. Oh man. Imagine if. Yeah, so once we hit that moulding stage, depending on how much we get done on stream. I'll probably do a bit more off as well. Hello to the heavies, Timu. Where am I from? Ponda, from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Hello, Ralkin. Cheer Glove. Oh, it's bloody nut. Lucky my chisels are sharp. You've been watching The Mandalorian, but no, I actually haven't even started, bro. Actually, I need to. I heard the first episode is mean as. Now, if you do spoiler alerts, chat, probably get timed out. It's the only thing Star Wars related I'll watch. I can't watch the movies. It's the only thing I Oh, is our bitrate dropping again? Oh, shot, bro. Just spoil it. Nice. Is he in Mandalorian? Nice, Dubby. Nah, the bitrate's good. Okay. Just let me know, fine. Sounds like a solid ass hook. Yeah, it's a bloody knot. Not too bad for pin it. Ah, yeah. Shade Elite, you're going about it the wrong way, bro. People don't want to work hard these days for their results. That's the wrong mindset to have, dude. I'm not talking about Twitch, just in life. What goes ye? Did the bro get sponsored by Red Bull? Yeah, Nate. Jazo, thanks for the 6 months, brother. And congratulations on your new badge. My man. Much appreciated, brother, but in all honesty, you did not have to, man. Got the Viking music, bro. Cheers, Valhoon. Yeah, straight off Assassin's Creed, brother. I need to readjust Odin because he's looking topsy-turvy. Yeah. People don't want to work hard for what they want these days. Have you played Demon's Souls yet? Sammy, I didn't even have a PS5, brother. I was one of the ones that was too late to pre-order my bro. But it's all good. Too no mad. One too many hugs, mugs of mead. Yeah, just trying to get it as close as I can to the one in game. There you go. That knot is nice and smooth now. Yeah, I mean, I probably won't be good at Demon Souls. I'll probably be beginners at the game, but so I think the games that caught my attention the most so far would have to be God's Fall. That was the one I was interested in from the start. Assassin's Creed, obviously, and then Spider-Man. I don't think Spider-Man would be that good. I've never been a fan of Spider-Man, but seeing those like people's like videos of doing their like circuit runs, just swinging around the town with their preferred music, it got me good. Did they give you the specific image to work off, bro? Yeah. Hold up. So I asked them if they could send through the work of the statue. So that's just from below it, so as you can see. So you can see an undermine on the sword, so we'll have to do that. And looks like a cut. They cut a lot there. I feel like that's thicker than the one I've done, so I might readjust it, because Odin's body isn't that long. I feel like it should stop there, maybe. But it's always good to have excess wood. Then you have the full front, you can see. So I'm mainly just looking for the angles and stuff, spacings. So these are the ones I'll move on to next, the side profiling. Another front on. Yeah, so I asked them to send it through so I could print them, even the back. Oh, even the back of them too, which is kind of simple, but at the same time, good. And then just from all different angles there. The thing I'll probably have to take my time on is the design that's incorporated on the bottom base there. Hold on. Happy birthday, Gunseki. Just pick up these things that I dropped, sorry. Yeah, that's why I'm kinda wanna work on it off stream as well, because I know I'm gonna be thinking a lot. Happy birthday, bro. Kind of, what is it? Pine. Just normal pine, man. Well, it smells like it anyway. It's not really a workbench, it's just a horse, but it's a AEG wood clamp. If that helps, brother. Yo, Vazil Thun, thank you very much for the... it's not my birthday. Vazil, thank you very much for the sub, brother. AG Super Clamp, I believe so, brother, I believe so. What do you think about Ghosts? Great game. Really great game. Does it have a surface split? Yeah, just over here. I'll just take the wood off just to get rid of it. You playing the games? Yeah, bro. I'm still not used to just sitting there and playing games. This is where I'm more comfortable. But just get used to it in time, I guess. Oh, greetings enough from Canada. Hey, your man, thank you very much, brother. Much love to you too. Yeah. So you want to stop there, come back the other way. Thank you, Phantom, for the sub. Yeah. How you doing, eh? Okay, we've got to come on that side now. Greetings from Christchurch. Hey, brother. Down the line, eh? Excited for Shadowlands, brother. Xavian, I most definitely am, brother. I feel like I want main Guardian Druid, eh? But I still enjoy playing Shaman, so I'll stick with that. Ooh, there's a chip in watch as well. How do you sharpen your chisels? Just with a stone, brother. A sharpening stone. Nothing too complicated. You can use a sharpening wheel, but because of where I work here, I don't really want to get one yet, I would say. I love New Zealand, mate. I simp more over you than any other streamer. Yo, thanks, brother. You didn't have to give the bits, my bro. Well, thank you, mate. Yeah, oil stones is definitely the way to go. I need to get a fine oil stone. Might look into that soon. Dino Roar. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Dino Roar. Just need a drink. Ooh. Mother, I am from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. It's a hearty water bottle. Just a casual 5 litre. Greetings from Norway. Hey, brother. Might move it back a bit, eh? Do I have a professional mic I use outdoors, or is it just a camera mic, brother? Just a normie camera mic. Vino Saw, thank you very much, my bro, for the sub. Fucking don't forget to have a sleep, brother. Just gonna move it back a little bit, so I got more room. Check the size of it. Yeah, I haven't even trained yet. I just started dieting today. Back on the diet, gang. Might ask Millsy for some tips as well. getting hot. Congrats, Ray. Thank you, Bella. 22-inch pythons. Who says that? It's familiar. 22-inch python. Miss lifting weights, eh? Just been in the gym. I guess once we sort a routine out with the chillins, then we'll get it sorted. How are the summers in NZ? They're always hot, Xavier. Always, brother. Towards like the end of December or like mid-December, I would say it starts to heat up a bit, but yeah, it's still nice, I would say. But man, the heat gets bad, eh? Like scrotum stuck to thigh hot. But it's always barbecue season, brother. Lost 2 kgs in a week. Nice, Fanta. Nice, brother. Yeah, I just need to start living a healthier lifestyle for my kids. I still buzz out at that, eh? Saying kids this time round. How much do you bench? Wow, how much? Last time I could only do like 150. Not as strong as my mates though. Far. Okay. I want to be as strong as hopefully get a main bench like Tay. He's got a handy bench. Carl, it might be better to post it in the Discord, brother. Because Stream Elements bot will pretty much delete links straight away. Sorry, brother. Would love to see it though. Rolik, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my man, for next time, watching is more than okay. Not mine. Yeah, and I don't want you to get timed out for sharing your tattoos, brother. Heard you training to be world's strongest man. Oh damn. Is it true that Quinn69 is biggest clown in NZ? Oh, I don't know. Anonymous gifter, thank you very much for gifting a sub to I don't really see Quinn as a clown, I just see Quinn as Quinn. I cracked up laughing when he had me as one of his chat redeems. Hey, Misty. Oh, Mister. I've got most of it cut out. Little arm exercise for today. We're gonna do arms. Yo, Denim Pirate. Denim. Denim. Thank you very much, brother, for the raid, brother. Welcome everyone from the Bros stream. My name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver, but today we're actually carving Odin as a commission for UBISOFT ANZ from the Assassin's Creed game. Cheers, brother. Hey, Etienne, thank you very much for the 3 months, my bro. Thank you guys. You honestly didn't have to though. Hold up. Woo. Take out all that excess timber. Love the streams, homie. Cheers, Denim Pirate. Much appreciated for the raid, brother. Gonna be on well tonight, brother? I don't know. It all depends on my children, eh? I want to make sure they're in bed first, and Mrs. Brox's as well, and because I like to ask the mods first. This is pretty late. Cheers, brother Steady. Yeah, I would much prefer. I don't know, we might just save WoW streams for these Sundays when I need a rest from carving or something, or weekends maybe. Zober the 3rd, I've been carving since I was 12. I'm 29 now. Oh, cheers, Steady, brother. I'll just let the mods name on it. Ooh. I'll be if you're playing well for the morning for me. Yeah, just depends if everyone wants to see it and if everyone's all good. Because I don't like being that guy that goes, okay, I'm streaming well, I use all up to the mods. I don't want to be that guy. I stream well just for fun, like a reward for myself, and hopefully get better. Hopefully get better. Yo, Skip 27, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Keep up the good work, Broxh. I enjoy listening to your streams while I study. Che. Ah, sweet ass, Otter. Bro, how's McDonald's going anyway, bro? Since it's close to your house. It's mean, eh? Love from America. Cheer, Lindsay. Shout out from Brazil. Hey, cheer, bro. Yeah, it's just normal pine. Guy tried to tell me it was native, but I went, bro, it's pine. You can smell it. Well, I think it is. I just took a wild guess. Smells like it though. Much love, Marshall. Cheer, brother. Good evening. Cheer, Maple Sock. It's 1 AM for me. Okay, what's the time for everyone right now? Must be late. For some, that's for sure. I know it'll start creeping up for Otter. And a few others. Damn, a lot of 12 p.m.s, eh? Or was that AM? It's still late. Too pitchy. Beautiful day in Red Vegas today. Yeah, my bro. Mean day today. How you, bro? How's the TFT grind going? Jeez, it's really bloody late. Yeah, I would have started earlier, but had a midwife appointment today. Obviously need to get those out of the way first after I continue to start my day. Great job on hitting 1. Oh, thanks, man. I still owe everyone that Bob Ross stream, eh? Don't think I've forgotten. Might just have to do it without the afro because I can't find one. In the morning here, bro. Oh, two to play. Chewbacca. Thank you very much for the 3 months in a row, brother. Are you pregnant, Broxh? Yeah, I've got a heartbeat here. What a silly question. This guy's literally the modern Bob Ross. I wouldn't say I'm as good as him. Alright, he's pretty mean though. Basically all I'm doing is taking off the excess wood that we have on our carving because my koro does not want to let go of his precious steel chainsaw. And from there, so Odin, there's Odin there, you just have to find it. Taking away all the excess wood that we have and leaving what we need so we can start moulding. Taking away all of this here, and then we'll start to clean it right to the line, and then adding our center line into the side so we can draw the side profiles as well. Here do play. Oh well, it's all good. Moving on. Da, 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 da. Ooh, it's pretty hard there. Is that the first non-traditional carving you've done, bro? Yeah, pretty much, bro. Pretty much. Yeah. No, yeah, it is. Looking back at all the projects I've done on my own, this has to be, yeah, number one. Was Mr. Green? No, I never done carving at Rokura, bro. I chose not to because they're doing MDF. I just wanted to focus on the normal classes. He cracked up laughing. Lucas Pickle, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Yeah, I was like, yeah, what a sad guy. He's like, I hope you put diesel in your chainsaw. Seeing that chick shake the same too, my boy. Okay, I need to push it back because I need some room. get splinters? Nah, never. Cova. Don't worry about that, bro. Just come watch. Just come and watch, bro. That's all you need to do. Did you watch the All Black game? Yeah, they're rubbish, eh? Bloody rubbish. What? Oi, did you need... What? What do you mean? I'm scared. Oh, sorry, Bruce. I'll move him over. There you go. How long do you think it's gonna take? Oh, I wouldn't have a bloody clue, eh? I don't really, you know, go out of my way for that. To predict the time, I just do it. What camera do you use for stream? Daddy, I just use a white one with Sony on the side and it's got 4K. I don't know, I don't talk camera. It's one that works, I guess. Does the job. What's happening? What? Yeah, so I use an IRL backpack to stream. Yeah. Twitch ANZ provided it for me. I've been using it for what? Yeah, 7 months now? So far. You're gonna get Cyberpunk? Maybe. I don't really think that far ahead. I'm all about the now. Oh, they're allowed to be Ceto. There's no chat rule saying they have to talk. How's the weather there right now? The Well Magician? Yeah, weather's all good, but it's starting to get hot actually. Really hot, but other than that, It's all good. Why is this so relaxing? I have no idea. This is what I love to do. Here's my iPad. Here it is. Ba ba bum ba. Hold on, finally just changing the music up for a little bit. For a little bit, you know what I mean? Does Broxh have a meaning? I'm not good with coming up with, well, like, we'll just call it a Twitch name or IGN, that kind of stuff. So, pardon, brother, just name myself after my favourite character on WoW. That's a decent English accent. Take a little bit, you know what I mean? Excuse me, man, I don't mean to bother you. How far into the Assassin's Creed campaign are you? I'll tell you when I get the game and I started. Broxh was an incredible character. Yeah, brother. One of my favourites. Well, he's probably my most favourite, I would say. Hell yeah, I love Broxh. So obviously, Brox was taken, like a short name, so I just tried to be clever and add an H and an underscore. My man opening the Red Bull. Gives you wins. And if you play Rick Pelly, it ups your damage as well. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, Stormbound. The axe of told you so. I remember when so they were trying to add, so people were asking for that to be an artifact weapon on WoW back in Legion days, and I felt like no one's worthy of using it. Too patchy, too brother. So as you can see, we've removed all the excess timber on this side. So what we have to do is obviously this side now, coming from the back of the timber, as you can see, removing all the pieces of wood that we don't need, and then we're going to smooth it out with a number 2 chisel, just smoothing it out, and then we should be good. Yep, so we're just going to smooth it out after we do this. Until then, what we'll have to do now is just some bits that are higher than others. You can just do light taps right across. Get a nice even surface. see? Taking your time. You don't have to get as close to the line as possible. Just enough to see where you've drawn as well. For Broxh, but it's Broxh and not painting. Oh, it's just explaining what we're doing. What we have to do. I think every weekend, if I'm not streaming, I'm just gonna raid his channel or host it throughout the weekend. Mortuku, yo, thank you for the 5 months, brother. Love how relaxing and soothing the soul in your channel is, brother. Keep doing you. Thank you, bro. Wait, XQC was stream sniping. What? You can't stream snipe me, Carvey. I mean, if anyone tried to stream snipe me, Carvey, I'll just throw their big piece of wood at them and expect them to catch it. Because they better. So I heard this is our new Bob Ross. I came here to find out for myself. Oh, I don't know, bro. This is just what I love to do, brother. Normally, I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. I was approached by UBISOFT ANZ to try and carve Odin for them from the game. So I'll stand them up for you, brother, since you're new here. Stand them up for you and I'll give you a rundown of what we've done so far. That's the Overwatch player, eh? So that's all we've done so far, so I might shorten that a bit. So as you can see, the Odin statue. I feel like he's too skinny, eh? Not fat enough. But at the moment we're just getting the outside profile done, and then we will start to get the lines closer, making them more fine and clean, as you can see, hopefully. And then from there we'll start to smoothen it all out on the sides, because we're using a round chisel over here. So if you can see, it's still a bit rough, so we're going to use a 2 just to smoothen it out. And then we'll get into the moulding side, so we'll probably start rounding the edges and then turn them around and do the side profile. Is our bit rate down again? Bugger. It's Hobo TV. Hey, Polak, thanks for gifting a sub. Now, guys, I'm just gonna go check the bit rate. Oh, it seems to be going up. Jeez, my Wi-Fi is better than this pack now. Hold on, run it. Okay, how's our bit rate now? Oh, it's going up, which is a good sign. CJ Godzilla, thank you very much, good sir, for the sub. Bit of nifty, my bro, but thank you. Much appreciated, brother. And Hobo again with the 2 months. Thank you, my bro. Feel free to just watch as well. Welcome. More than welcome to, and that is a YouTube ad. Yeah, can't be bothered changing it. I'm just going to turn them around. We're going to turn it that way. And take the symbol from the back.
Upgrade to YouTube Music Premium. Uninterrupted music dedicated to you.
Thanks, to T2 for the 2 months, brother. Yeah, I was surprised they asked me in. Didn't think I'd be their choice, to be honest. Where's the dono link? You're watching it, brother. Stay there with your eyes and watch. Where do you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Okay, gonna take all that off now. Ooh. Does the clamp not leave marks on the wood? Doesn't matter if it does. It's like rubber, eh? So it should be okay. Plus ultra, hey bro. You wanna know why? Because I am here. Dun, 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 dun. Do you not need eye protection? Oh, not really. Because your chips are going that way. Have you ever missed Nebula? No, not at all. I mean, not that hard. Nah. Is it hot on road? Yeah, bro, it gets like stupidly hot here. Not only from the weather as well, but because of the geothermal. But other than that, yeah, it's a good place. You ever watch One Piece? Yep, I've wasted parts of my life watching One Piece. Still do. Burn it. Should have left them fat. Damn. Yeah. Oh well, we might gain a bit of timber when we round it. Are you sponsored by Red Bull? Yeah, brother, I am. Oh yeah. They caught up on the manga? Yeah, I read it now and again. I'm only getting back into One Piece because of Kaido. And I just realised the camera's not down. Kaido's one of my favourites. So did anyone tune into this GlitchCon thingy? Hey from New York. Hey brother. What's everyone going well for? I don't know what happened. Oh no. Yeah, I know what it is now. Oh damn. Oh damn. Ora, hea ho tōna ingoa. Wait, from Thank You Broxh? Huh? Wait. So that's their Twitch name, Thank You Broxh. I don't know what I... Oh, that's the name of their Twitch. Oh, bro. Bro. I'm not gonna say a real name. So thank you, bro. Oh, I feel weird saying my name, so I'm gonna say thank you. That's your name. I'm not gonna say the name that's popped up on the thing. Thank you. I don't want to say my own name because that's weird. You can set any name you want. Oh, can you? Oh. Yo, thanks brother, thank you. I'm not gonna say my own name, but because it sounds weird, me thanking myself. Thank you brother. I've seen your other name pop up, but that's not information for myself, that's your own. I will not say it. Well, thank you bro. Holy cow. Sweet as Otter, yeah, I'll probably say that just in case.
Sign up for YouTube Music Premium with 1 free month.
Cranky old man. Oh, okay. Yo, thank you, bro. That's a lot, bro. Considering these times, bro, I hope. Just remember, guys, you don't have to. It'll just go towards, like, buying timber, chisels, and probably shampoo and conditioner. Wow, thank you bro, thank you, holy cow. That's crazy. Dan Fantastic. Yo, what up, Dan Fantastic? There you go, brother. Oh, Skywalker. Exposed in there, brother. How you, bro? Conjuring Guild. Hey, Joe Nips, look. Thank you very much, Conjuring Guild, for the sub, brother. How often do you stream? Blaze, I usually try and go for every day, unless I have something on. I stream WoW as well, but at the moment, I'm just trying to get used to streaming games and sitting down there because I'm not used to that. Isn't it hard for those gummies? Oh, trust me, brother. These are my everyday shoes. Ah, damn, this is Scar. Yeah, brother, it is. Yo, Nipslip, thank you for gifting 3 subs, brother. This went to Zavo, Mr. Someone, and Lava Craze. Much appreciated, bro. Wonder what just is up to. don't worry guys. Oh, that word. We'll have the half pie news today as well. Just
And earn your place in Valhalla.
bear with me.
Press to impress.
Trying to get this done first. How often do you sharpen your tools? Like once every 2 weeks maybe? Like yeah, a few months now. I just didn't tell anyone because no one asked him. Oh. I didn't think I had to. Smoking time. Hey, Maya's here. Lucky then. Might as well start the news soon, eh? Hey, JT! Oh, a bag of mulch. I'm actually going to start moulding your piece today as well, brother. I'll do the outside. Want some crack? Oh, you can just keep banned, bro. You can smoke the bum crack. After a 3-hour run, of course, that's the one you can have. Oh, good sanity dollar. Have a good one, bro. So I'll mould the hair and then we'll get into the news. Remember to have your questions ready. You can use a saw machine, but I don't want to leave a saw machine outside unguarded with no place to lock it in. That's why I don't have one. Okay. PBT! So my piece of nail. Oh, good, brother. He's starting it soon. Because I've got a showcase coming up. And I think I'm going to showcase your piece. Okay, let's get the news underway. Okay, yeah. Get your questions ready, Fano. It is that time of the day where we talk about the news, but not as good. We're straight to the point. Oh, it's Art Month this month, brother, and I'm on the 29th. So a lot of people applied for it, eh? Like the one just then Thunder done. And I got him too. Okay. Get your questions ready, ladies and gentlemen. We are bracing ourselves for the half pie news. good questions too, whanau. Have some laughs, that's all it's about. This section is dedicated mainly to laughs, having a good time, and me pretending like I know how to be a journalist. New Red Bull sponsor? Oh, I've had it for like a few months now. Okay, turn the music down. We won't play the One News theme song anymore because we could get docked from DMCA. Okay, here we go. No, I don't know it. Yo, I met Judge. Yo, thanks for the 2 months, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the $5 earlier too, brother. Sorry for missing that too. To the bro. We'll just play it, eh? Here we go. Just choosing a news theme song.
Good evening, everybody. The
No,
sunshine
that's
is
not it.
taken.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Half Pie News. Half pie here, half pie there, half pie where we bring to you some of the local and international stories that has been floating around on the internet and on the news as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, kia ora, welcome. So, before we start, usually what we like to do, or sometimes what we start with, is questions. Now we're going to go to the chat. We have a question. The shorts on the clothing line be used as a flag when you conquer the DMCA? Mate, they are big, blue, and they will be noticed, so there will be the flag. Ladies and gentlemen, one thing I have learned from that clip that went viral of myself is when you stream next to your clothing line, be sure to take the washing off. We have another question. With all the DMCA BS going, does that mean that we won't be visiting the secret tunnel? Oh, it is a very hard decision or question really, when we don't even know if the secret tunnel song is licensed. So other than that, one can only hypothesize. So we have a lot of questions about DMCA today. Yes, it has been very hard if you have not heard. People have been getting struck with DMCA strikes on the account. Now, other than that, ladies and gentlemen, I do not know if I can get DMCA strikes for the odd helicopter that flies over, or the odd plane or tui bird as well. I don't know if I can even get docked for the sounds that my mallet makes on the chisel, because it could be docked for Woody the woodpecker. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in international news that I have seen so far, which is absolutely the biggest crybaby of all that lost his presidency lately, Mr. Donald, I wear a red hat and a yellow toupee, Trump, complaining that he thinks the votes were rigged. Now, ladies and gentlemen, other than that, I didn't really follow much about that old man, because everyone's about Biden and Kamala. Other than that, that's the international news that I know of so far. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll ask the chat once again if we have any more questions. Have you played Skyrim? Yes, I very much have. Moving on. Do you have a favourite car you dream of? One that works, one that can carry my 2 kids and my partner, and some timber as well, because that's obviously the material that I'll work with. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for your Primordial weather report. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I look up into the sky, I see Ranginui piercing through the clouds, looking ever so blue. Now, with the clouds moving fast as well, I can see that there are high rates of wind up there in the sky that's making the clouds fly by. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the sun piercing through the trees and the other objects around me. So yes, you can see that it is a very overcast day along with sun, and then from there we will see what happens later in the day. It may rain, it may shine, but at the end of the day, it is night time. So we have some more questions. When's Maya coming on stream? Well, other than someone that has to go to mahi or is doing other things, we probably will IRL stream our run to baked for donuts or easy feeds. Any more questions? How will you conquer the DMCA? Anaconda squeeze them. Yes, you got me there, mate. And we have one. Oh, okay, you bloody dick. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a hair flick redeemed by Rybear. Bloody Rybear. So, ladies and gentlemen, for our news report today, there's actually not much happening around the world. Or here, for example, there's birds crapping, there's birds flapping, but other than that, ladies and gentlemen, we will carry on to cover the news as we report tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and maybe skip one day and then the next day. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Half Pie News. If you had a good laugh through the broadcast, that's all it's about. It's not about covering stories properly, it's about half-assing it. So ladies and gentlemen, half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. Kia ora. Okay, we got a hair flick. I know who it's from too. Let me just put some spell on, and then we will do these hair flicks. God, it's so hard to find music these days, eh? Bloody hard. Oh no, another one. How tōna ingoa, my bro. Oh, I know who it's from. It's from the same Broxh guy. The thank you guy. Thank you. That's Albert. People gifted. Oh shit! Hold on. Let's wind it back. Oh, Art Killer. God damn. Whoa, why? Thank you, bro. Hold on. If you're new here, I like to go back just to thank everyone, because that's rude if you don't. So big thank you to Art Killer for gifting 5 subs. So those went to Sonic Blue Ninja, Assassin, Sleepless Mary, Scarlet Geek, and Old Fox 14. Thank you very much, bro. Much appreciated. Honestly, did not have to though, but thank you, bro. So we got the hair flick. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. Secret Dono. So it was an anonymous one from the same guy. Yo, was it? Let me check. Bro, how do you... You shouldn't really pass that kind of money away, brother. Use it for you. Oh, it actually hasn't come through yet. So, can it not like hold on. Just want to get to the bottom of this. I just want to know who it was. Yeah, it was the same guy. Yo, thanks, bro. Holy cow. Thank you, Art Killer, as well, brother. I see you, brother. Hey, Captain Squizzle. Oh, Todd Fate. Hope you're doing well, bro. Thank you for the 2 months as well, brother. Okay, I'm not mucking around. Here we go. Yeah, I know it was you. Mrs. Broxh redeemed the hair flick. Bro, you get these for free. All day. It's all good, I'll do it for the chat. How's baby? Get your pictures ready. I see you. Don't forget to wash your hair. Shampoo, conditioner, your way. Palm olive, that's where it's at. Just, if you want glorious hair, use palm olive, shampoo your hair. Just don't forget to shampoo your hair. Okay, there we go, dudes. It would be extremely painful for you. Let me just tie my hair. Just hair flick. Hair's looking sexy. Let me just get the tool of destiny. Let me just sweep up a bit and then I will carry on. Just because having an uneven surface is bad for your feet as well. Well, that was quick. Flick's hair chat is line magnificent. I think we need stream as Bane. If you want a Bane stream, I will do it for you. Oh, wouldn't it be hard to talk through that though? To do the dishes. Oh, that's a free chat redeem, brother. What's your favourite colour? Probably maroon and like green, like a real dark forest green. Hold on, partner. It's always good to clean up. Don't find an excuse not to clean up, because if you can wipe after you go to the toilet, then you should be able to clean up after yourself. Here we go. Halfway. Burgundy and maroon. Yeah, I've always been a fan of maroon, eh? I guess it was the because my koro, he used to wear a maroon hat all the time. It was one of those old school ass Queensland ones with the 3 X's on. That's probably why I like maroon, because I've seen it so much. Koro was one of my idols.
Yeah.
So if you don't know, koro, it's like grandfather. That's all that means. Kuia mother in our language. Just in case everyone's going, what is he saying? Okay. How's your stream, Captain? I seen your alert go off, but I was burping. What gives you nostalgia? Damn. Twisted my ankle today. F elevated, brother, and just watch. Don't sub or anything. Oh, we dropping again. Oh no, it shouldn't be. Dish dog, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my dude. Yeah, so you'll probably hear me talking Māori as well, and obviously I'm going to explain myself. So to anyone that's new, you'll hear me say like whanau a lot, and that's what I call you guys. So the translation for whanau means family. Oh, hello, my name's Cork. This pile of rocks waving at you. I'm kind of like the leader over in here. We don't say that name around here. Family. Ohana. Family. We need a Broxh statue. No. As long as it's me with a trident and an Aquaman suit riding a Blastoise doing hydro cannon, I'll think about it. Yeah, I was talking to you, Captain. Yeah, definitely you, brother. Yeah, pretty much, brother. So you can go, koe rā tāku whanaunga, so you can say to someone, that's my family over there. Oh, Chubo, sorry, brother. I'll try and not. Smash him out. So we got rid of the split that was here, which is good. Hey, Primo Rock, cheer, brother. How you been, my bro? Cheer. How was World of Warcraft? I want to donate. You just watch, brother. Oh, you're all good, guy. Turn up when you can, but don't feel obliged that you have to or stay. You just, when you have your own thing to do, you have your own thing to do. Everything's good, bro. Good to hear, Primo. Damn, you don't remember you, brother. Yeah. But that's good to hear, my brother. Yeah, so all my my in-laws were here yesterday just to see baby, and we ended up watching the Bear playing a game, rugby game yesterday. Hey, Tino, toilet paper? Yes, 7 months ago now. Yeah, that's that. Grateful. Really grateful. What I learned from that is take your clothes off the washing line. That's the only disappointment I get when seeing that. I don't watch the whole thing, I just flick past it because I hate watching videos of myself. Everything I say is, these bloody clothes. Kia ora, little home hunting. Yeah, she's good, brother. She's really good. So our midwife Wairu today, she's gained a lot. 80 something grams. Hey, Spastic Gamer. Alphabetically great. How are you, good sir? I see you with the Mercy Twitch mates. Oh shit, I'm on pickup today too. So time. Heaps of time. What classes do you enjoy well? Warrior, Shaman, Monk, Paladin, and Druid. Those 5. So I want to learn how to play prop Warrior though, because there's a lot of prop pallies there. And there's a lot of red pallies as well. Why no gloves? Just like how I don't wear gloves to the gym, same reason. Take pride in your calluses because that's work. Just like when Myth was saying, controller gamers are not real gamers. I wanted to say something, but I was like, meh. He wears gloves at the gym. Yeah, take pride in having rough hands. That's what I say. Are you going to learn from Max on how to tank? Yeah, bro. Asked him. I haven't asked him yet. Gotta ask nicely, yeah. But the only tanks I want to play is Prop Warrior, Bear, and Brewmaster. But I know Brewmaster's high APM. Oh, the ramen. It's all good, bro. That's what it's all about for me. Working, sharing, and chatting. That's probably why I'll never do those streams where, no cam ones and no mic ones. Man, I tried to get into bear, but it's so boring. Yeah, I understand, but I just like being a bear. I am a bear. And it's underplayed. That's what I love about it even more. I'm all about those underplayed classes, eh? So would you do a cooking stream? Yeah, I'll be keen to do a cooking stream. I don't know what I'd cook though. Oh, good man. So almost to the arse end of this. Very clean. So it makes it easier to draw. Are we making the beard by cutting it out? Oh, the dude Thor, cheer brother. Hey, nice name by the way. I will turn it around soon, brother. I'm just doing this section. then I'll show you. So we're still prepping at the moment. But knowing me, I'll be doing some stream as well. Mr. Chen Chen was throwing out the Churro earlier on stream. Oh, is he streaming too? Who's you saying he was doing impersonations of me? Ah, I really want to see them, eh? What sort of time would a piece... Oh man, I feel like it's going to take me a while, eh? I can't really estimate that. I know it looks simple, but because I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver, I've never really had to try and do this type of work. But the reasons why I said yes, I'll give it a go. It's just for fun, eh? And to push myself. Because you don't want to be comfortable either. Always throw yourself in the deep end. You never know, you might come out good, it might come out not good. 4 AM bro. Damn, he was up early. And I saw you were doing this. So where, if you don't mind me asking, do you see the Odin statue early in the game, brother? Because obviously I don't have it. That's all I want to ask. From then on, no spoiler alerts, please. The only way to learn, yeah, and that's the way I like to learn too, is this way. Throwing myself in the deep end and well, throwing yourself in the pit and seeing how you get yourself out. So this is for a bro that just joined us. So this is just rough outlining, Bella, just to get a good understanding of our shape of our Odin. Tell me when profiles. Oh, that's an add-on, eh? Do you intend on getting the game? Yeah, well, I think they're gonna gift me the game for doing this, eh? I believe. Yeah, just showing the brother Thor too and everyone else that might be new here. So I think I made this section too skinny, so I'll try to drop down the top half. It's looking good, mate. We manual tools, or do you finish with? Nah, I'll probably use just manual tools, brother. I don't have any power tools on me because of where I work, and I don't have a workshop where I can lock them away safely. The shed over there doesn't actually have a lock and it's broken, so we just use it to store like old stuff we don't need. Odin and his brothers carved the first humans out of wood. Wow, that's cool to know. The bulk removal was looking good. Yeah. So if he's yeah, thanks for sharing, brother. Make a Viking boat, man. I can't even make a traditional Māori canoe, so I don't know when that's gonna happen. I love, bro. Cool, thanks, bud. Thanks, guys. So what we're gonna do now is start to obviously clean the sides up. So we've got to take a bit of there. Like clean up the excess, clean up that. Have you played? No, I have not played the game yet, brother. Did the Vikings ever get as far as New Zealand? I don't know, brother. I mean, we haven't found traces of them. There's those really clickbaity sites that say they have, but I don't know. They're not part of any history. Oh damn, who's this? Thank you for the $1, good sir. But here's all we've done so far, so we'll start cleaning up now. And then depending on where we get today and the time, I'm gonna have to go and get my child from school. I might call it a day, but other than that, it's all about doing the centre line on the sides after the cleaning, and then we draw the side profile up so you can see where it's all at. Sure, Brewa, was it you that donated the $1, my brother? Are you Polynesian? Yeah, bro, pretty much. They wanted one that was 30 centimeters, but I thought, nah, I can't give you something that small. Either way, if I have to ship it to Australia, I'll pay for everything, because I'm a fan of the game. How's it going? Hey Tom, cheer, bro. Yeah, it's going good, bro. Going good. Good to be home, mate. Okay. Hey, Dark Chalk. Odin should be missing one eye. Important for the law. I'm just following what they sent me, bro. I'm following what's on Assassin's Creed Valhalla, because I have the actual renders of the statue from the game. Attila, awesome. Oh, sorry, brother. Yeah, I would have missed it. My bad, brother. Yo. Direct Theatre, thank you very much for the sub too, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. My uncle died recently and your streams have been helping me cope. Atu, if they help you, bro, that's good to hear. If you want to talk, DM me, all good. Someone to vent to, all good, bro. Or just plain old talking, bro. I'll listen. Just feel free to, bro, if the offer's there, if you want to talk. I know how that feels, so and anyway, I just want to help you because you're part of the whanau. Has anyone gotten a free commission? No, not yet, brother, not yet. I'm still waiting to see who it's going to be, though. Yeah, Atu, feel free to DM me, bro. I'll talk to you if you ever want. That's all it's about for me, is helping others, and then passing this on to the next generation of young Māori kids. Hopefully they don't want to watch Among Us and then they stumble across makers and crafts. It's bloody hot today in Christchurch, bro. It's piping down here too. So I'll do all of this. So I feel like this side's already clean. I done it yesterday since I couldn't stream because of my neighbours playing DMCA music. And yeah, a lot of things are coming in for me in terms of stuff. I don't want to reveal too much. Got storms with a tornado warning. God damn, brother, stay safe. Are you Hawaiian? Nah, brother. My sister Jigsaw is though. What am I knowing how many channel points the leader has? I can't get past Ah, geez, I think it's between Thunder and the Me.
To you, YouTube
Because
Music
they don't really
month free trial.
indulge in the hair flicks anymore. I think they've had enough. And with what's going on around the world too, whanau, feel free to just talk to us or talk to me. That's another reason why I'm on. It's not just to stream, it's to make lockdown better than it already is. This lockdown is shit. Mudbog Joker, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Crazy ass beans. Just rounding the shoulder ever so slightly. We won't round it right over. I want to get it decent though. And height and width, oh that's a good one. I actually don't know. I just, yeah, didn't want to do a 30 centimeter one because I feel like I want to do something more for Ubisoft. Got me there, my bro. Definitely above the knee for sure. I'll get back to you on that one, bro. OMG, well, Ubisoft hired you. Nah, they I don't think they hired me.
The others don't understand what's happening.
Oh my god. Yeah, no, I don't think. If you want to know my age, shouts, just ask. It's 29, brother. So 21 with 8 years experience, my bro. Good. Yeah, definitely needed to be bigger than 30 centimeters, brother. I couldn't. I felt wrong, doing a carving that size for them for a project such as this. I was like, yeah, nah. Level 29, my man. I couldn't take. Because they wanted to pay for the timber costs as well, but I said, nah, don't worry about it, all good. I got you. Pay for the timber, cut them up. You believe in Valhalla? I mean, everyone has their own belief of where they go to after this life, eh? Can I tell you? Nope, because I'm still alive, and I can't tell you when it's time either. That's just how I see it. You're ready when you're ready. Can you tell everyone? Probably not. Oh jeez, another. Hey, chill my bro. Hold on, find it. My chat is playing right up.
Sorry about that.
Thank you for the dollar, my bro.
This time your job.
Much appreciated, brother.
Music. YouTube Music is your personal guide to the world of music. With personalized playlists.
So I've got a
After the workday, upgrade to YouTube Music.
editing program now, so I'm gonna have a go at editing too. See how that one goes. Do you have any pets? I'm a dog person, but at the end of the day, I love animals in general. Yes, he does Zelig. I don't know about what he's got in Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Just know that that's the one I'm carving. Respect from Norway. Much love, my brother. Are you going to sell that? No, it's a commission. Stupid Flanders. Stupid Flanders. And a glorious 6 months that it's been so. Yo, thank you very much, my bro. And congratulations on your badge upgrade, brother. Stupid Flanders. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. What do you think of Cyberpunk? Very flash. Seems all good, eh? Everyone's hyped for it. You ever into WoW PvP is just not your thing? Wills is something I want to get into. I've been trying to play PvP on my shaman. So that was like the what do I say? First time playing PvP properly, but it was on an elemental shaman because I've never played LEE. You know, found the shaman that I used to play back in Drenal days. So I transferred him to the server I play on now, which is Bartolus. And yeah, it's all good, eh? I mainly play Enhancement Shaman. You tried the new COD? Not really into COD, but just cleaning it up now. All the sections left by the round 7 chisel. How do you know when your carving's finished? When you got nothing else to do on it. That easy. That's how you judge it, I guess. Can't find anything else to do on it, then it's probably finished. That's when you stain it. It's good we smashed this up. Played Enhancement Shaman back in BC, I switched up to Elemental and Resto. Yeah, I've been thinking of trying Resto too, eh? Just to help out. Oh. Go to bed, brother. Yeah, I'll see how I'm feeling tonight if I want to stream well, because obviously with 2 kids now I get very tired and I love sleep. Really love my sleep. You called Broxh. See, old Max gave Tank, the Roll Tanker, a funny name change that I'll never forget now. So instead of tanking, you call it DPS simping. because you're trying to keep them alive. I was like, I like that. I like that. How old are your kids? 2 and 6 days old. Yeah, it's a commission for Ubisoft. Yeah, 2 and 6 days old. Love it, eh? Really love being a dad. All the things I learnt when my eldest was a newborn is just coming back to me. And what makes it even cooler, usually, so the way we were taught with our first child is you supply on demand, or supply, so like you feed them every 3 hours, but my daughter loves to sleep and our midwife said just feed her when she wakes up or she cries for it. No, she's not 6, so my oldest is 2 and my daughter now is 6 days old. Thanks, Buttgang. So I named my daughter after Mela High Mountain. Well, I've been calling her that since we found out, and it's stuck with Mrs. Broxh. That's her middle name. So she was born on the 11th of the 11th in 2020, which is our year. And the time she was born is 8:20, which is 20:20 PM and 24-hour clock. It's pretty buzzy. It's like, che, look at you trying to have a cool birthday. Missed out this time round to catch my daughter because Mrs. Broxh just did 2 mighty pushes and she was here. I was like, damn! I wanted to catch her there, but because I was moving so fast, the safety of her was important as well. Oh my god, that's amazing. There's got to be a fantastic sign for her. Yeah, I'm actually wondering what it would mean in the future. Well, it pretty much just means she's born in those timelines. But for both kids' birthdays near Christmas, yeah. Because my mother-in-law, she goes, so what are you going to get this baby for Christmas? Man, she's getting food. She don't need presents. She don't even know what Christmas is. All she knows is boob, crap, sleep. Love the Brom Thief song. He's one of my favourite supports, brother. It's like, what do you mean, what is she gonna have? Food and diapers. Yes, that is a must. I asked my baby, my eldest daughter, okay, what do you want for Christmas here? Cake. I was like, oh, perfect. Yo, Stir Kirby, 4 months. Whoop whoop. What is Snoop Dogg's favourite tool is woodworking a chisel? From Chisel. Thank you, brother. Ooh, there could be a new emote. For Chisel. Thank you very much, good sir, for the 4 months in a row, brother. Brother Stuart. And another big thank you to Elbrique. Did I say that right, brother? I hope I did. I really hope I did. Thank you, brother. So, nah, no problem. No, you didn't have to though, brother. You know that. But much appreciated, my bro. You can see we're butting in the arm there. Good stream, bro. Thank you, brother. So, in my free time as well, I'm gonna learn how to edit just so we can make the videos more bearable to watch. That's something I've been getting on YouTube, is make your videos shorter. You've got 250,000 views on this one as opposed to this one. Even I don't do it for that, but the VODs are mainly uploaded for people that can't catch it due to the time zone, just so they can enjoy it. Just like people do, study while it's on, sip a bit of cup of tea while it's on. Yeah. Want to be a dad one day, hope I'll be as good as you. Primo! You'll be all good, brother. Okay, I'm going to turn the music down and share something. So, like, when I was 16, I always thought about the day that I'd end up having kids. And I didn't have a father figure, like I didn't have one as a kid growing up. Or like, he was around, but he wasn't there for me as much as I needed him. And so my mother was definitely my mother figure or father figure as well. She's the one that raised me, and right through my teenagehood, I got really mad about it. Like, really resented him for not staying with my mum, because he ran off to another lady. Had 13 sons. Obviously, those are my stepbrothers. I loved them, and yeah. As I got older, it just showed me what kind of dad not to be, which was his example. And he's not really doing well anymore. He does drugs and all that crap, and I ain't about that life. And I bumped into him recently, like a few months ago, and he asked, "Have you got kids now?" And I said, "It's none of your business." Yeah, and moved on. So yeah, as someone who was raised by a single mother majority of his life, and by my grandparents too, they were the ones that taught me like how to be. And I vowed one day that I'll be a better father than my dad. I hope I'm doing well, hopefully. Well, I'm a clean boy. I don't do anything bad. I don't even steal chewing gum from a shop. Yeah, like even today it hurts, and then again I'm like, bugger him, because I'm better than him now. And yeah, that's just something that I think everyone has the potential to be a great dad. Just believe in yourself, just be patient, and enjoy every moment once you have your first child or something. Because when my first child was born, I cried hard. I'm not scared to cry, because it's just me being real with the emotions that's coming out. Yeah. Yeah, that's just... So yeah, Primo, just believe in you. Obviously, don't pull out. But yeah. I just wanted to level with everyone on that situation. So I'm just going back now to see the comments. Captain, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Much appreciated. And an anonymous gifter. Why you gotta be anonymous? Yeah, JT, yeah, it does get hard, but yeah. I think it's more... how do I explain this? You're a bigger man if you share instead of bottling it up, I would say. That's why I want to help everyone, like, well, in any way that I can, whether it be a cheer or hello or whatever. Oh, Anonymous gifted a sub to Groovy Scoobs, Fausting Beedrill, Pokemon family, Diffman. Cheer, brother. Thank you very much, Anonymous person, and Biffle Split, the Lethal God. Thank you very much, guys, for the subs. He's honestly didn't have to, though. Hey, Drex Project. But yeah, Primo, in all honesty, brother, that all comes down to you. It's no one else's decision whether you'll be a good father or not. I don't know, but yeah, just believe in yourself. Yeah, that's just what happened with me and how I've moved on from a shitty situation, I would say. Yeah. That's why I'm eternally grateful to my mum for looking after me, and my grandparents as well. Other than watching damn Clint Eastwood movies all day. God damn, I hated the MGM and Rialto. Diff man. Cheer, brother. Hey, Drex Project, how are you? But yeah, the first thing you want to do, brother, is obviously not pull out. Hippie Vikings. Thank you very much, good sir, for the sub. You did not have to, but thank you. Respect from Dublin. Yeah, the true king of Dublin. Hey, brother. How's Drex Project today? How's the boys today? Yeah, that would be my first advice. Don't pull out. So, like, even for my first child, she wasn't planned. Obviously, I don't think anyone's prepared for parenthood until it happens. Like, even now, I'm still learning stuff. Is it hard or is it easy? No, it's very hard, but at the same time, you get to watch your mini-me grow up. What else, Daddy Butter? Oh. We have a hard bird. Now, Rodrigo, I don't know if that bird's got a bigger one than you, but okay, bro. I ain't mad. I won't say anything. I see you idolise that bird, brother, so... yeah, like, my top tier dad, probably not. I'm just a dad that would do anything to protect his children. Much love, Red Pursuit. Ah, Steady Butter. What does that say? Cher Butter. Whose is that one, bro? Yours? Thank you, my bro. A hard bird. That's it. Junin, okay. So obviously that's the colour of your eye along with your nose. I mean, no one likes hair around their nose, eh? Ain't no abnormal beard grow nose hair around there. But in that case, if you like shoving your fingers that far up your nose and your mouth, then by all means that's your own. I won't say anything about your face looking like a bum. If you should like to, yeah, move on. Must be that time of the day. It's like, I'm gonna go and try something stupid. Okay, dude. So all the EU views. Yo, have a good one, Excel. Yo, RJ. Yeah, Archie, thank you, brother. You didn't have to give those either. Anyone want an omelette? There's a lot of eggs here. Do you have a YouTube? Yeah, Cherry Reds, I do, bro. Fair warning, none of the clips are edited. But I've downloaded the editing program now, and I'll have a go at it. Because I owe it to you guys to shorten videos too, if you don't want to watch the whole thing. There's even a video with the oh yeah, nah. Yeah, definitely gonna get into time-lapse stuff. Most definitely is the Broxh soundtrack, my bro. Him and Pike are two of my favourite supports. I just like Broxh for the way he is there. And come on man, who doesn't like a dude that uses a shield as a weapon? And I like Pike for his design and because he does the haka as well, along with Bingo. Fun trying to get us up to level 5. Oh, bro, you don't even need to. Oh, good, bro. Get Da Vinci's Resolve, bro. It's free and really easy to use. Oh, okay, brothers. Thank you. Oh, Skuldiero. Klofnir. Sure. Okay. I'll be back. I need to fix something. Oh, good, brother. You can dual wield shields in Valhalla. Whoa, that's cool. Actual. Bro, that's mean. Yeah, I haven't even checked out the gear, eh? Bro, you big cool. Much love. Bendy cons. Cheers, bro. Just cleaning up all of these, find it. Oh, we got another one. Shout out to the bro and his deformed tongue. Chilix and his deformed tongue. I'll do it, eh? I did a funny. There it is. Cleaving our shields. Skildiero Klofnir. Jeez, wouldn't let me ban. Ah, it's all good, brother. I got it. Bro, moments can we just not. Ah, dude. Seems like all those eggs shit the bed today. I don't really think much of them, eh? The ones that'll get my attention, that I'll definitely destroy, is people that disrespect the elders. Most of all, you guys. Racists. Those are the things that I will destroy in the chat if they turn up. Schematica, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Who's the anonymous? We got FallGuy7380. That sounds like a username that you get when you join. I fixed it. Thank you very much for this, for gifting a sub as well. Oh, the anonymous. Island life is the best life, eh, Broxh? Yeah. Yeah, Primordial. You'll be all good, bro. Just, I would say, yeah, live your life. And when you're ready, love your content, Toad on the resident. Hope weather's good and sort of chew, big Logie. Yeah, weather's all good here, bro. I want to do a stream there too, walking up the mountain. Hold on, find it. Let's get my ruler. Okay, back now, whanau. Sorry I took long. I just noticed Mrs. Broxh fell asleep with baby, so I just put her in the cot. Yo! Swagnito! Thanks for the 6 months in a row, brother. And congratulations on your new badge, sir. Where's my pencil? Chocolate egg. Oh, true deputy. Where are you? Outside. Oh, I'm getting a cramp. Yep, I'm getting a cramp. Okay, cramp's gone. What's a good wood carving tool you would recommend? Chisels, man. Bomb fold. I mean, it also depends on what you want to do. Will you do a cellophane sculpture? I don't do stuff that intricate, brother. Let alone outside of my culture too. I can do intricate mouldy wood carving, but probably not a cellophane, brother. So at the moment I'm just cleaning the sides. UK origins. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. I do not speak Spanish either when not sure. How's the weather? True, Bob. The weather's quite good today, brother. But it's been really hot over the last few days. I was in town the other day and I seen my eldest saw Elsa pool that she wanted. My first thought was, can I fit in it though? That's the $1 million question. I checked it out and yeah, I can fit in it. So I was like, let's go. And then I forgot to get it. Lost the check. Like a somebody. Cheer, brother. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think Otter speaks a bit of Spanish too, which was quite surprising. Quite surprising. So we'll clean up that side, clean up the head as well, draw in our centre line. What's the time? Okay. We'll go for a little longer, but it's almost, school time's almost over for kindy. So I've got to go and pick up baby soon. How many years have you been doing this kind of stuff? I've only just done a carving outside of my culture, but since I was 12, brother. 29 now. Was that like 17 years? I actually wouldn't mind trying to carve an animal. But with like Māori influence within it. This point is still very high, so Simba. Ooh, yeah, that'll be. I could try. Yeah, definitely Jack's project. Buster, mate. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Welcome. If you're new here, man, you just for next time, you don't have to. You can watch for free. Look after yourself in these hard times too. That's what matters. Thank you, Hammy D, for the bits, brother. Here's some bits. I'm sorry. No need, but really caught a stream here before. Don't ever apologise, man. Like, even first of all, you don't have to give bits, but it doesn't even matter. It can be 50 cents, and I'll still be grateful. We have a proverb in our native tongue that goes, "Ahakoa he iti he pounamu." So what that means is, although the gift is small, it's the thought that counts, and I'm all about that. Even though you don't have to, you know. Honestly. Look at some boldies. Yeah, mentally I'm good. Over the last, so when my daughter was born, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so for the last 5 days I didn't really sleep during the night, so I would stay up and just watch them to make sure they were all good. Well, I didn't really watch them, I was on my phone, on the iPad watching streams, or Pokemon First Edition unboxings. So all up in those 5 days I probably had what, like 6 hours sleep. Oh, thanks, Cherry. How difficult do you feel this Odin carving would be? I feel like it's going to be a 10, maybe an 8, because it's simple still, but at the same time it's still out of my comfort zone. Well, like I said before, never stay in your comfort zone. Oh, that's just me. I like to test my comfort zone. Eh? Make it hard for yourself because you could get better. That's such a dad thing to not sleep. Yeah. So yeah, pretty much. Because during the day I was up. It's helping. So maybe, I think the hardest part about those mornings was from 2 o'clock right to about 5. Yo, that is a nagi. Cheer, my bro, for the raid. I was hoping you would stay on. Hope you're well, my bro. Hope you had a good stream too. What did you end up doing, my bro? And kia ora everyone that's come through from Mr. Just for Kickstream, Mr. Māori TV, Mr. J Mook. Much appreciated, brother, for the raid. Mr. Stunt Double himself. Much appreciated, my bro. Hope you're well, you and your community too. Did you start some new shoes today, brother? I think I'm going to buy some and send you some too. And I mean buy and pay you as well. Hope you're doing good today, brother. Big PP boy. Yeah, I'm doing good today, brother. Thank you for asking. Appreciate it, my brother. So this is how a carver can develop carpal tunnel. Shout out to J Mook. So the constant pushing and the stress on your wrists, but that's if your chisels are blunt. Minor sharp. Balling with the new stream setup. Ooh, I must check. Toke. Oh, Totoko. Just to let you all know, that reference emote came from me. And I fully Totoko the bro using that. But I was pretty buzzy about the PB tick, dude, eh? Just one new emote. 5 move over in Tauranga, I'd probably go with just a visit him personally. And just cheer bro, my name's Just Kicks. I'm a sneaker customizer. What music is this? DJ Spell. Gonna go back to playing Cold War. Nice, brother. Enjoy Cold War. And have you done the coffin Easter egg yet? Much appreciated for the bits too, my bro. Got a posture check from Cheesecake. Hold up. So the reason why I'm cleaning it is just to make it easier to draw. Yeah, bro, Buzzy, his name is Santos. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Man, we moved a lot of timber today. Got a lot of sweeping to do. I downloaded Cold War. Oh, true. Yeah, I see a lot of people playing Cold War, and Zombies is back. Because I didn't play COD at all. I'm not sure if that's it. The closest I get to an FPS game is playing Hunter. But I'll play FPS games in the future. Definitely. I'm thinking of getting that Hades game, eh? Can anyone confirm if it's fun or not? Because that's the main factor for me. Fun. Gotta free hydrate. Oh, I was thirsty any day. Boring. Oh, is it? A+ game. Hades is phenomenal. Oh, yeah. Because do you make your own builds up on that as well? While I play Cold War? Go hard, GDN. Hope you crack it, brother. I still have my Atari. God damn. That's like a Charizard First Edition, those, eh? Come play Among Us sometime. Yo, I'm not good at lying, Drex project, but yeah, I'm keen. Just DM me your guys. I don't know how you guys are playing it, on phone or Steam. Are you the imposter? Nah, I was doing my tasks. Why was there a body next to you? Man, he was just having a rest. Oh yes, that's right. The AMAs last night. I was supposed to stay up for those, but had to do my duty. Dad duty. Just why is he in half? So maybe he likes to take a rest while he's severed from his body. Would be cracker bears. Yeah, sounds good. I mean, I've never played it, so I wasn't planning on playing it, but yeah, if it's gonna have a good laugh, then I'm keen. I can't trust no one. Just, I think Broxh is the imposter. Have you not seen what's happening? TM3 penguins. Oh, them penguins. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Yo, you stream DJ music. That's cool, bro. Yeah, I've been checking out some DJs lately as well, other than Spell. They got DJ Reminisce, DJ Manchu, DJ Bella Fiasco. I think that's her name. Man, heaps, eh?
The others don't understand.
Oh, love the YouTube bit, eh? See what it tastes like. Oh, can't play HP, boys. Colera Chacha. Okay. I was watching Donnie stream some Among Us this morning and it seemed like a fun game. Was Donnie on this morning? Damn. Who would just let him kill us as it would be the closest to touching him. Oh, say that. Imposter me with your humbleness. I can see just saying that now. Poker but without cards. Yeah, it's just a bloodthirsty alien trying to get you. Oh yeah, you watch some? Yeah, bro. I do watch gaming streams, but at the same time, I like checking out like other sections as well. Bigfoot, do you have any small projects or something that occupy your free time? Because yeah, most of my free time is for my family. Sorry, bro. Where's the chat holder 4000? On this side. Natural Journey. Johnny, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh, for the bits, sorry. You didn't have to. So the objective of the game is just to find the imposter, am I correct? Yeah, just hit me up with your deets, Jax Bros. Navoy, hey brother. I'm singing, it's my turn to sing at the party. What the hell's thunder? So you just trying to push clean and yeah, pretty much for now, JT, just so I can draw it up properly and try and get onto molding as fast as we can. I'll probably do a bit of cleaning off stream too, depending if the kids are okay. Man, I love saying that. Kids. I have kids. Navoy, yeah bro, she was. What does family mean? Family. And that's what you guys are to me. Was there some chainsaw action over the weekend? No. I tried to get it, but my kura wouldn't give it. I was like, oh, what a hard ass. I'm your grandchild, not your chainsaw. You should say yes straight away. Yo, Black Thunder. Thank you very much for the 3 months, my bro. Little vomit. 3 months, let's go. Thank you very much, Bella. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You didn't have to, but you did anyway. What was the experience like? Nervous, bro. Bubble gut. Nervous farts. But I didn't let any out while she was here. I waited till she was gone. But other than that, bro, something I took away from that was the fact that how easy it is to talk to her. She's not some uptight person. She's just like a normal person. Just like talking to a family member. What does DT mean on your... Oh, what does DT mean? That thumb. I will explain to you the origins of that when I have an apple. Yeah, Navoy, she knew quite a lot about me, so she must have like read about me, watched some of the VODs. It was cool, eh? Like, it was just like talking like to one of the aunties. Even that's how we acknowledge you, just out of respect for you, and that's a helicopter. Before I was rudely interrupted by that damn helicopter. What was I saying? Yeah, she's a really nice person, eh? Real down to earth. A lot of people talk shit about her. I think she's cool. Better than any other Prime Minister we've had. It's a flying lawnmower. It's a flying lawnmower. Oh man, I'm starving. I don't know, I might just fast till tea time. Hope you're good, man. Yo, Sam. Hey, brother. Not much has happened with myself other than becoming a father of 2 and getting slightly on the thicker side, but I'm taking charge of that now. But welcome back, brother. Don't fast, bro. Yeah, I'll probably make me something after stream. Finishes very soon. Just trying to get this done. I've got to go and pick my baby up soon. Father of 2, congrats. Thanks, brother. Thank you. When is Half Pie News? Oh, you missed it, brother. It's already been. Walking, get her soon. Cheers, brother Sam. Hope you're well too, though, my bro. Good to see you again, brother. I think I need to buy me some new undies, eh? New jockeys. Does anyone like does for the bros in particular. So do the bros ever have that specific loyalty to that one pair of jockeys that you have? No matter how blown up it's gone, no matter how holy it is, do you still wear it? Thank Mrs. May. Thank you, Mrs. Mayhem. Thank you. Yeah, Kahu, pretty much. Thanks, Killer Punk. Thanks, brother. You're allowed to take bathroom breaks during stream. Yeah, I know. Hell yeah. Yeah, we got one. Yeah, but for t-shirts, not undies. Oh, true. Yeah. So I think, so I'm wearing my loyalty pair right now. I think it's time to retire me. All my Calvin Kleins. Oh, sorry. I don't wear Calvin Kleins. So they get a few holes. So I think the whole demand's about that. Hanging on by a thread. But I think it might be time to the loyalty pair. Yeah, I think it's time to surrender them and buy some new ones. Cheer, Regan. Cheer, my bro. Hope you're well. Ooh, you bugger. There you go. Bruh, 5 years. What's that for? 5 years? 5 years? What do you mean? Fuck's sake. I am new. Welcome, brother. I don't normally do these particular carvings. I'm usually a traditional Māori wood carver, but this is what I'm doing at the moment. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning at the moment, whanau, just trying to get all this clean before we start drawing up. Something different today, yeah brother, so this is for UBISOFT ANZ. Thanks Assassin Dragon, I'll just try my best brother. There you go. I'm excited for the end result. Me too, brother. Me too. Be interesting to see how it all like pans out. Especially for this one. I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. Scared, but excited. Very scared. But it should be good. I mean, what I take away from this is actually doing it with you guys. A memory to make with you guys, I would say. That's probably something that I look forward to the most when it comes to this. Oh, did we get a posture check? Did a posture check come through? Sorry. I was just texting my mum, seeing how she is. After that talk we had earlier, just couldn't stop thinking about her. Could not stop thinking about my mother. Yeah, I'll probably do some of this off stream so we can move on from here. We'll see how my kids are doing first. Got t-shirts that are nearly 20 years old. Damn! How's little Broxh? Good, bro. Good. Doing really good. But I should say, which one? Which one, my bro? My little high mountain. Hey, Texas Hula. Hey, brother. How's it going, bro? Oh, right. Sorry. What's the longest you've worked on a project? One of my own personal projects has taken me 4 months. That's probably the longest. And a team of carvers, it took us 6 on a project. We'll chuck around in there, so we don't have to carve all the way, just in case you pop the top off. That's the last thing I bloody want. Good to see you, bud. Enjoying a really nice chill day. Yeah, nice, brother. Not too chill for me, bro. Getting some work done, but it's all good though. Actually about to finish up soon. Got a bit of work to do on this though, but at the same time, gotta go dad. Check up